Hey, so here's the explanation for Kapalabhati skull shining breath. It's a sharp exhale out of the nose, and you don't even think about the inhale. If I do it out of my mouth, it sounds like this. So again, I don't think about the inhale. I'm just thinking sharp exhale. As you exhale, you want your belly button to come in and up towards the spine. And so what I recommend doing, if this is the first time, is put your hand on your belly. We'll do it together. Take an inhale. Exhale everything out your mouth. First time we'll try it through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Now if I do it out of my nose, so the idea of skull shining breath is it heats up the abdomen, wakes up what we call the Agni, which is the digestive and spiritual fire. Esoterically, it says that a lot of our spiritual quote unquote garbage kind of lives at the base of the spine, and we want to draw it up to the solar plexus, up to the fire, and incinerate it. Great for physiological reasons why we do it is essentially there's a lot of stagnant air at the edges of the lungs. And so when we do these sharp exhales, it draws that stagnant air to the center of your lungs, up and out. So it's very, very cleansing physiologically. And then energetically, it draws the energy up. So it gives us this uplifting feeling. So again, it's a sharp exhale through the nose. And you want to, as you do this, engage Mula Bandha, engage the pelvic floor. It naturally happens generally when you draw in and up. But that's what I said at the beginning. We take an inhale, exhale everything out the mouth. We inhale halfway, engage pelvic floor, and begin. So that is Kapalabhati breath in a nutshell. The biggest things you want to think about is you want to move at your own pace. So feel free to move slower, faster than how anybody else is cueing it. You can go super slow, like okay. The idea between each inhale or each exhale is that the belly relaxes and then you draw it up again as you exhale. Belly relaxes, you draw it up as you exhale.